Hey, what's going on, guys? Alright, so I just got another item in the mail today, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it right now. As you guys have taken note in my previous videos, what I'm doing is I'm upgrading my Dell XPS 420 computer. Alright, so let me go ahead and set the camera down so I can open this. Alright, so this is my 500 watt power supply. Alright, my current one is the factory 375 watt. Alright, and yes, I am referring to my older computer, my 2007 Dell XPS 420 computer that I purchased before my Asus G11 CD computer. Alright. Wham. Let me see what this does. 230 volt and 115 volt, which is where it was at before I touched it. All right, these are the ports, obviously. Okay, so that's about it, guys. And the reason why I got this is because I intend on getting a 4K capable graphics card, which needs a power supply of roughly 450 to 500 watts in order to not overheat after doing some research. Okay, so I said, why not just go with the 500 watt power supply? So you guys have seen my 2 terabyte internal hard drive, my 8 gigabyte RAM, which was this right here, if you guys recall. The Crucial brand 4 2 gigabyte sticks. Alright, so I've already maxed out on my gigabytes of RAM, which is 8, and my power supply, which is 500 watts. Alright, so yeah. And there you guys have it. Let me know what you guys think about all this stuff. Make sure you guys still subscribe, comment, rate, share, enjoy. You never know when I'll have another item coming in pretty soon, and I would not want you guys to miss that, okay? So, on that happy note, that's all she wrote.